Hello, kids! Today we're going to learn the names of beautiful flowers. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is a rose. Rose! This is a sunflower. Sunflower! This is a lotus. Lotus! This is a tulip. Tulip! This is a marigold. Marigold! This is a hibiscus. Hibiscus! This is jasmine. Jasmine! This is lavender. Lavender! This is a daisy. Daisy! This is a lily. Lily! This is an orchid. Orchid! This is a poppy. Poppy! This is a carnation. Carnation! This is a chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum! This is a bluebell. Bluebell! This is a daffodil. Daffodil! This is a peony. Peony! This is a magnolia. Magnolia! This is a dahlia. Dahlia! This is a hydrangea. Hydrangea! Great job, kids! You learned the names of 20 lovely flowers today. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep blooming.